Hello friends, today I am going to show you how can you solve the derivatives using the product rule. This rule is very often used in the derivatives. So let's begin with its formula and let's get to know when and how should we use this rule. So according to the product rule, if we have two functions which are being multiplied, let's say we have two functions u and v and they are being multiplied by each other, so their derivative should equal to let me write the formula first. So this is its formula. If we have two functions which are being multiplied, so two different functions, so their derivative would be equal to v d by dx of u plus u and the derivative of v with respect to dx. So this is the formula. Let's see how we can solve some problems using this formula. Let's say we have to differentiate x e of x. So we have to differentiate this with respect to x. You see, there are two different functions which are being multiplied, x e of x. So I would suppose that my u is x and my v is e over x. Okay, so I could use this formula which I mentioned earlier, which is equals to, we have v e of x and d by dx of u, which is x, plus u, which is x, d by dx v, which is e of x. So the things become more simpler. I can easily solve this now. E of x and first derivative of x is 1 plus x and the first derivative of e of x is e of x. So upon simplifying this, the final answer would be e of x plus x e of x. So this is how you solve the problems using the product rule. And let's solve another problem. Let's say we have to differentiate sin x and cos x. Okay, so you see we have two different values, sin x, cos x, which are being multiplied, so that the product rule would apply. So let's solve this. We have sin x, so it doesn't really matter what you suppose or your u and v. You can also suppose cos x as your u, or because these are being multiplied and added, so it doesn't matter, the order doesn't matter. So I'm applying the formula v d by dx of u plus u and d by dx of v. So I'm writing it directly. Cos x and derivative of sin x is cos x, plus sin x and derivative of cos x is minus sin x. So the answer would become cos square x minus sin square x. This is our final answer. Let's see, let me think if it's further simplified or not. I don't think so. Yeah, that would be our final answer. So this is how you would solve your problems using the product rule, and I would come up with some good new videos. So kindly, if you like the video, share it, like it, or if you have any questions, mention those in the comments. Love to answer them. Also subscribe my page. Thank you so much for listening.